Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Subaru WRX full front with a window film, doors and back window, XR Plus, 30% all the way around. And all we did was a full front on this. And let me just show you real quick. This will be a quick one. So the full fenders, you'll see how we wrap in these edges. This little cap comes off and everything's perfectly underneath. You don't see any lines. Here where the A-pillars meet, no edges. No edges. We get into this hood, you'll see no edges, everything's underneath, all the way around, the fenders, all the way around, these tips, all the way around, inside here. And when we get to the scoop, the air intake, I take this out and wrap it in 100% all the way around. You won't have any lines anywhere on this hood. There's no lines whatsoever. The scoop gets fully wrapped in all the way around. The hood, the front bumper, all these edges fully wrapped. So everything's 100% that I do, fully wrapped in. Your corners, just like on this passenger fender, just like the driver fender. Back side fully wrapped to the hood. Hood looks good, everything's nice and clear. And the mirrors, we do those in one piece. They call for two in most patterns, but I do it in one. And there it is. Window film, 30%, all four windows here. And we're inside, so it's a little bit darker. But it's a nice film in the 90 percentile for heat rejection with 30% UVs, 99% UV A and B for skin. And there it is, 2025 WRX in a purple color. Clearbrownnorthdallas.com is who we are, and email clearbrownorthdallas@gmail. Two phone numbers, landline 214-414-3809, cell 940-703-8301. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching. Follow us, like us. Any questions, go ahead and comment. Take care.